Happy Day Dolphins, my name's Ivana Velasquez.
Hi, I'm Emma Chong.
I'm Tiara Cepeda.
Zani Churtamakane.
And we'd love to have you in MHS Outrigger this school year.
With all the love and support we have received in our previous school year, we welcome all new participants with open arms.
Those interested in paddling for our school team will go through a tryout process and will be securing one of the 12 open spots that we have for each division.
We have 3 divisions. One is the award-winning Lady Dolphins, the men's, and the co-ed crew, which is a mix of both teams.
In our upcoming and long-awaited season, MHS Outrigger is opening around 12 new spots for each division. Trial dates are to be announced.
However, if you do try out and don't make the team, are interested in joining the club but feel as though you can't attend practices, or would just love to support our club in general,
Then we would love to have you in our club as well. Though our team spots are limited, the bigger the club, the better. Supporting those on the crews, whether that be in practices, in competitions, or even in school events, is something that we definitely love and stand for.
As a senior in the club, one thing I learned and can assure new members is that it's okay to make mistakes. The club emphasizes teaching and guiding one another, so don't let failure stop you.
Being a new member was very scary at first, not knowing anything about paddling or knowing anyone on my team. But after my first season, what kept me going was not only my newfound love for the sport, but also my love for my teammates.
We welcome all walks of life and would love to have you all be part of this experience. I'm Ivana, this year's president.
And I'm Emma, this year's vice president.
I'm Tiara, the secretary.
I'm Zen, the PRO.
And we'd love to have you all in MHS Outrigger this school year. Dolphins on me, Dolphins on 3. 1, 2, 3. Dolphins!
Should change my clothes, I can't exaggerate the life we used to know. Oh, yeah.
Working on music.
I know I'm not the only one.
What's up, Dolphins?
I'm Ashley.
And I'm Sherry.
And this is your video bulletin for today, Friday, September 10, 2021. Attention Cohort 1 students.
It is your day to come in on Monday, September 13th.
Club fair will be happening today during the last 15 minutes of 4th period at the E courtyard.
Hey, sophomores!
You guys are taking your yearbook photos today at D103.
Attention, juniors!
If you are interested in taking the PSAT or NMSQT, the link to sign up is at the MHS website.
Sophomores will be given the opportunity to take the PSAT later in the spring semester.
If you are intending on graduating early, fill out the early graduation intent survey.
Your school counselor will contact you in 2 to 3 school days to review your credits, evaluation, and determine your eligibility for early graduation.
You can find the survey at the MHS website.
And now for your sports news. Cross-country season is here.
The first qualifying event is set for tomorrow, September 11, 2021.
Please check the MHS website for more info.
And now for your club news. The MHS Pride Club is looking for new members.
If you are interested, fill out the Google Forms at the MHS website.
Calling out all chess players.
If you're interested in joining the chess club, contact internationalchessclub@gmail.com.
If you want to serve to change lives, join the Interact Club.
Contact them at dolphininteractclub@gmail.com.
Interested in learning about the justice system, courtroom procedure, debate, and acting?
Join the MHS mock trial. Fill out the form at the MHS website.
Have you ever been treated unfairly and want to reduce unfair phenomena?
Join the Equality Club. You can contact them at dolphininequalityclub@gmail.com.
Reminder, it is mandatory for you to be vaccinated to participate in sports or club activities.
And that's all the news that we have for you today, Dolphins. Be sure to check the MHS website for more information. Once again, I'm Sherry.
And I'm Ashley.
Have a wonderful day, Dolphins!
I know I'm not the only one, but I can't imagine nothing else. I see it every